this is an LED light bulb, and so is this. And so are all of these. They can be used throughout your home. Hi, I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. LED stands for Light Emitting Diode. Good quality LED light bulbs last longer, are incredibly energy efficient, and offer comparable or better light quality than other lighting options. Lighting colors range from warm soft white to cool bright white, and even daylight. So where can you use an LED light? Pretty much in every room. In the living room, general or ambient lighting provides a uniform amount of light. And now, most LEDs are dimmable, so you can set a mood. Recessed LED lights can be used all over the house. They're very popular in hallways, bathrooms, and kitchens. LEDs work well outdoors, too. They're used in landscape lighting, wall lighting, and security lighting. Decorative LED lighting is like jewelry for your home. The main function of this fixture is to enhance the look of a particular room or area. Kitchen under cabinet lighting is one of the most popular uses for LED lighting. They're small, directional, and ideal for lighting up the countertop for reading recipes and cooking. They also add warmth by lighting up dark spaces. If you'd like to discuss LED lighting for your home, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.